some. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh. This is Rise Outside. Welcome to the channel. This week, we're on my home lake. Not on any great adventure. No truck camping. No grilling. Because I had 2 wisdom teeth pulled earlier this week. And hopefully we catch something. Because otherwise it's going to be a very boring video. First fish of the year. And he isn't very big. Well, at least I'm not skunked. Green sunfish. So there's one, and I'm just out here with my ultralight, and that was an ultralight fish. Here we go. Crappie, which surprises me. He's not very big, but I've caught 9 green sunfish in this. I don't want to go in with him. I switched over to a pink tube jig. And that was like my 3rd cast. So, nice. Finally caught another fish. Bluegill. Oh, he's poking me. Got some scarring on him, and they are not easy. Not easy at all today. And here comes a big school of them. There's a big school of bluegills coming my way. Oops, it's a bad cast. See if we can get one to hit. Yep. There we go. Nice. Two gills. Looks like there's still some swimming around over here. It's like all of a sudden there's a big school of bluegills. A couple of them. They're just cruising right along the shoreline here. I just put this, let's see, can you see it even on there? It's called the Little Nipper by Lindy. 1/64 ounce, so it's very, very light. Oh, there's one. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh. I think this is a catfish. Nice. We even got the hook set on video. That's what it is. It's a catfish. Channel catfish. Ooh, I'm gonna tip over. And ultralight rod. 4-pound test line, so I gotta be careful with it. Gotta wear him down some. Now I've been out here for a couple hours. And other than the green sunfish, the little ones, this is the biggest flurry of action I've had. This is why I love ultralight fishing. Get to see that bend in the rod. And this isn't a giant catfish by any means, but for this rod, he's pretty nice. There we go. Come on up here, little lady. Ah, there we go. Super fat. Nice. So we got the first bluegill of the year and the first catfish of the year on the same video clip. Can I have that back, please? Obviously it's not hook deep, you can see it right there. Just need to get it to open the mouth. Just open your mouth, I could get it out. There. That's all we needed you to do was open your mouth. Yeah. Nice fat little channel cat. Ooh. Get it back in. Thumbs up to that. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The little nipper. Kind of a perch color. Orange, yellow. Oh, well, you can see it there in the shade. So I am going to retie, and I'm going to keep fishing because all of a sudden there's some fish cruising around. I see another school of fish coming. At least I think they're coming. Now I don't see them anymore after I turn the camera on. Still coming. Oops. Right here they are. Oh, look at that. There's a There we go. That's not a bad crappie there. Yeah. And he didn't There's a school of bluegills. He must have just been swimming with the bluegills. Nice. Yeah, it'd be nice to catch a few of those, eh? Cool. Of course, the school of fish is gone now. Oh. We'll see here. There's one. Not a real big bluegill, but it's been tough. It's been tough. See if I spooked them all, or there's still something here. The school came through. Here comes another school. Ooh, they like that. Oh, dang. Is there anything out there? We've gone super small. It's actually a pheasant beadhead nymph, olive color. It's actually for a fly rod. So basically we're just going to stand here and wait for the next school to come through and see if we can get a couple on this. Looks like I get one chance at a school, and then if I hook one, they spook. So we're basically sight fishing them, and we'll pick it up when the next ones are sighted. Here we go. It's 4. So 4 bluegills. God, it seems like I caught more than 4 though, doesn't it? But I missed 2 of them that I had on, so I think I caught 4 bluegills, 3 crappies, one of the crappies I did not video, the 1 catfish, and 12 green sunfish. And it's about time to call it a day. Caught some fish, but it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. I just keep looking because I don't know if I spooked all those fish or not. But I think I'm going to wrap it up for today, and we will pick it up next time. It's a big one too. Big stick bass.